Hello guys, my name is Anthony Ochuko. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you or teaching you how you can actually use this AI tool that you can use to prepare an attractive resume that will get you that dream job in the next 2 to 3 months. So if you are ready for this, stay tuned to the end of this video. Let me process. My name is Anthony Ochuko. If you are seeing this video for the first time or you are jumping on my channel for the first time, please do well to share, like, and comment if you have any question. It will be my pleasure to answer your question. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click that notification bell so that anytime I upload any video of this kind, YouTube will notify you. Without further ado, let's jump to my screen right now. Okay, so Chat GPT is the AI that we're going to be using to construct or to recreate our CV. But first of all, we're still going to be using Canva. So from Canva, we're going to be selecting a template of. So first of all, if you come to this place, you see this place here, use 5,000 words to describe your design. So you can actually come here to type anything that you want to do here. So here I'm going to type resume. Okay, resume, and I will enter. So I'm going to see different types of resume templates will be popping up, right? So you have different type of resume template, which is like here. If you want to create from the scratch, you can actually click on create blank, okay, and click on this one. It will take you to a blank side, right? So now we have different types of resume template that we can actually use. Personally, for me, I like a very simple and easy template. This one, I'm going to pick this one. This one is very easy, just simple color. This area is black and this area is normal. So I'm just going to click on it. So you click on it like this, okay, and you come here. You can see it is written 100% fully customized, editable, download on the go, share on anywhere. So you will not be penalized for using this template. Over here you can see other similar template which is similar to this, like this one. I think this one is very cool, which I can actually use if I want to. So let's come here and customize this template, right? So right now let's open a new tab here. The network is kind of a little bit slow, but okay, no problem. So now it is open. So what you have to do is just for you to kind of zoom it properly so you can see, or you can actually close this area. Okay, you can just close on that area, and now you can see the full template of your CV. Let's pull up. So this is it. So first of all, you want to make sure that this photo is replaced. Okay, and in order to do that, you can come to your Canva and you see this area that says uploads. Okay, you can actually come here and come to this place and upload file, okay, to this area. So you come to here, upload file. So I already have some photos. I think they're already saved up in my gallery. I can easily come here and get them. So let me come here to download. I have some photos. I'm just going to pick any of these photos which are here, and let me use this one. Okay, so it's going to be downloading to my profile, to my downloads section. So as soon as it appears, I think I already have a copy of it, but I just want you to know the processes of getting a photo into your Canva download section. Okay, so right now I'm going to delete this one. You can just tap and click on it. Let me go Ctrl Z. So you highlight it like this. You can see these 4 areas, these boxes that are showing so much here, and you can just tap on delete. While this one, you just click on it and move it, and that's it. Now if you check very well, the photo doesn't look properly. It's not in the middle. So I'm just going to double click on it, and I'm going to move it to the middle. Okay, and here is the middle. Click on done, and that's it. So as you can see, the photo is at the middle already. So we are good to go. So that is for that. And next we will go to the name. So let's say my name is Anthony. So I'm going to be clicking on here. I'm going to say Anthony Ochuko. So that is it. So what is my designation, or what is my job role? So I'm going to reduce this name, for the name is too big. So what is my job role? I'm going to come here to say facilities coordinator. Facilities coordinator. Okay, so that is my job, right? I'm going to say facility coordinator, and my professional summary. Now this is where it is very, very important that your professional summary, this is where we're going to be utilizing Chat GPT, okay, or professional profile Chat GPT to help us to mark out a professional profile that will match this role that you want to apply for. Okay, it might be that you are going for the role of sales, whatever kind of position that you are going for. Chat GPT is going to help us to maximize this. In doing that, but before we come to that side, let's come here and see we can change our phone number. Let's say, for example, my phone number is going to do plus 234, okay, 8012 8034 Okay, so I'm just going to do it like that. This is not a legit phone number, so I'm just using this one just in case. And let's say my email, I'm going to say Anthony Ochuko at gmail.com. Just like that. Gmail. This is not a registered Gmail, so don't even try to send an email to me because it's not going to be true. Okay, and here, if you have a website, you can actually put it there. So I'm just going to say, let's say I have a website that I'm doing some kind of stuff. So I'm just going to put it like if you have a website. So it's not necessarily put it there, and you just put. So I'm going to say anthonyochuko.com. Okay, and so everything reflects my name. I'm just putting it there, and the location where you are staying. And it doesn't really matter. I can just put currently I live in Doha, Qatar. I can just say okay, just like this, like the way this one is. That you can put your address, but it's not necessarily because they are going to use your email and phone number to contact you, right? So your house address is not really doesn't really matter. But you can just put it in the current location where you are. Because I live in Doha, Qatar, I'm just going to put Doha, Qatar, right? It doesn't really mean that you have to put everything your skills. Okay, so now all of this one we are going to be using. So for this one, if you speak multiple languages, you can put your multiple language as well. For now, I speak only English, so I'm going to just put only English, right? So that is the language which I speak. Now, when it comes to this one, teamwork, time management, leadership, verbal and written communication, these are basic skills, but you want to bring out a skill which you need to place there to, to actually arouse this recruiter, right? So what we are going to do now is that our professional summary. So we're going to go to Chat GPT. Okay, I'm going to be asking Chat GPT to help us with a professional summary or professional profile of a facilities coordinator. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to say write a professional profile. I can say write a professional profile for a facility coordinator with measurable achievement and track records. Okay, so it is what you give to actually give a track record. You give to Chat GPT will just do that. So after doing that, I'm going to hit record and see. So now Chat GPT is giving us something. Let's see what it's going to give to us. Okay. Dedicated and result. Okay, so you can see it has actually given us something here. So dedicated and result-oriented facilities coordinator. So I'm just going to come here and copy this with Chat GPT and give it to us and say to see. Okay, and open my notepad, paste it here. The reason why I paste it here because sometimes Chat GPT kind of do some kind of things that marvels you. So I'm going to highlight it again, but you can see and minimize this one and come to this area and paste. Okay, so here we have, so our work. So this is it. So I'm just going to adjust this one a little bit. Here and here. Okay, so you just play with it and try to adjust it to this level. So you can see our CV is getting ready little by little. Again, the font size, we check the font size, we need to actually make our, not the font size, we're talking about the font color, so text color rather. Yeah, so we'll come here and make it original black. Okay, and yeah, so that is what we have here. Let's see, yeah, so it's original black. We just want to make sure that that is what we actually have, right? So that's it. So we got in our professional profile, and next is the work experience. So let's say our work experience, what was my designation over there? I work as what? I can see say coordinator. Okay, also facilities coordinator. You can put it there, work as facilities coordinator. Okay, here, great. From what time to what time? So I'm going to say from 2014. I'm going to say Jan 2014 to October 2022. Okay, so we're just using this one. So now, so during this time, this like 8 to 9 years, if I'm not mistaken, and what are your key responsibilities as a facilities coordinator? Again, we're still going to be meeting Chat GPT to give us, this time around, it's going to be on bullet point, our responsibility with key achievement. Okay, we're going to be asking ChatGPT again to do that for us, and we're going to see the thing that ChatGPT is going to do for us. So let's go back here. So all you have to do, you come to this and say new chat. So we're going to be asking ChatGPT, say, please, kind of in bullet points, the key responsibility of facilities coordinator at Mark Anthony Facilities Management in Dubai. I'm going to put a location, okay, in Dubai, bearing the measurable achievements and awards. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT. So I'm going to hit enter and see what ChatGPT is going to give to us right now. So now it's doing that. So as you can see, he's giving us a whole lot of things that, you know, key responsibility, achievement, and everything. This is wonderful. Now, if you come to this place, this is the question I asked ChatGPT to give responsibility, facilities management. Okay? Oversee the day-to-day operations of facilities, ensuring they are well maintained and meet operational standards. In facility management, this is how it works. Coordinate and schedule maintenance, repairs, and inspections for equipment and facilities. Manage relationships with vendors and service providers. So these are the key responsibilities. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come here and copy everything here. I'm going to put it here on the view. Okay, and we say that facility coordinator, but the name of the company we didn't put it. So I'm going to say Mark Anthony into facilities management, right? Okay, and all we just need to do is to stretching this one so that it will fit into one line. That's it. And this is the year which work at Mark Anthony Facilities Management, right? So we're going to come here. So what we're going to do is that now, as you can see, this entire workplace is it's pretty messed up. So I don't need this. I'm going to remove this one, and I'm just going to. I want to take it off there. So I'm going to come here. To X, I'll bring it up here, bring it to V, bring it here, and I'm going to change the font color to the white so that it will be visible, right? So see, that's it. Okay, and this also. Put it here, Control V. So you just highlight it and bring it here, and font color to the white as well, so that it is readable. Great. Okay. We are done. We are not done here. Oh. So again, we're going to come here. We're going to make sure that it comes in bullet points. So now it's in bullet points, right? So that's it. Okay. So this area has been organized. We'll come back here again and organize this place properly. Okay. So I just want us to make sure that we are on the same page over here. Okay. Okay. So if you check this area very well, you see that this one is not aligning alongside with this one because of the space on this area. Okay. Good. So this we're gonna adjust it a little bit here. Come this way, exactly. So that is it, right? So if you have other places that you've worked in the past, so you can actually come here to include them over here. Okay, so let's see what is it. 7.4, 7.4, right? Again, don't forget we said it has to be on bullet point. So let's increase it and come here. Set facilities management. Come to this one. So your key responsibility, overseeing day-to-day activities, you can make this one bold because it's like a headline. You can actually do it that way, or you can actually delete it, you know, if you don't need it, right? For me, I don't think it should be included, so it doesn't look like it's copied from somewhere. So I'm going to just delete it and remove it, right? And come here again, coordinate and schedule, blah, 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 blah. Space optimization and the utilization. I'm going to delete this one. I don't need it. So again, just delete all this subheading, remove all of them and arrange them properly. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to pause the video here and arrange everything, then come back again. Okay. Yes, we are back. So we are done arranging it properly. So right now, next we are going to do is to make sure that we align our responsibility properly. In order to do that, we highlight the box again and we'll come here and list it because we said it's supposed to be on bullet point, Control Z, and we do everything properly with this. Okay, so in bullet point, it becomes in bullet point. So you see everything is not properly arranged in bullet point. Remember, we told Chat GPT that measurable achievement and acknowledgement or awards. Okay, if you come to this area which is a maintain high level of customer service, there is a lot of things that Chat GPT actually gives to us when making this resume. If you come to recognition, it said receive recognition for outstanding achievement in facility management, including cost savings and efficiency improvement. And if you come there, say acknowledge for explanatory effort in promoting and maintaining a safe and secure work environment. So in all of this one, you can actually put the date. You can say 2016. 2016. Okay. So 2016. That was when it happened. Chat GPT, all you just need to do is to put in the keywords, and Chat GPT will do everything for you without you stressing yourself, right? So this is it. So we have our one-page CV ready. Okay. The second page we don't need it. You just have to delete this one. Bye bye. Thank you, friend. Okay. And that is it. So this is our one-page CV, which is ready. If you have other companies that you have worked, but it shouldn't be more than 3 pages, you can just come and click add page and duplicate all of this and put them and just do it step by step, and that's it. Yeah. So this is how our CV it's looking at the moment, right? This is how the CV is looking at the moment. So beautiful. You can see the photo there. Anyway, the photo has to be corporate. You know, this is just sample image. So has to be. So you can see, just go through it one more time. Make sure that everything are in place before you download your CC. So once this is done, you can come here. You see this place that says share. You come here and you have to download it. And when you want to download it, and you come here and choose the download format. So you see, you have to download the PDF standard, which is already suggested because you know that you are creating a document. So PDF. Okay. So you come here to download. And once you click on download, you can see now it's downloading. Okay. Great. And once that is done, you can see your download is ready, right? You can see your download is ready, and that's it. So you can go to your document, view your document, see, come to downloads. So here is our CV. Let's reduce it to 100 so we can see how it is here. Okay. So you can see a one-page CV, well organized, super cool. This is amazing, and you are good to go, right? Okay, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. See you on Notify. My name is Anthony. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next video. Bye.